and you're going to get 5 minutes. I don't know if 5 minutes is okay. You're going to then give the Nessa the answer that you came up with. If you got it wrong, you need to speak up why you're getting it wrong. And yeah, and that's it. Okay. Yeah. Let's do 5 minutes. In that example, in that scenario, in the Trust Cash Receipts Journal. And it is now 1934. We're going to play a bit longer with time now because you're supposed to be able to try to do it and know if you got it right or wrong. Please don't just sit and do nothing and wait. Take your piece of paper up next to you and work it out. Is everybody ready? Can we begin? Prep begins today. Just remember where they say chicks, uh, it just remains the same. Here and there you'll find some deviations from your curriculum, very minor, but we're using the stuff because this will give us an idea. It's tried and tested papers already. On a piece of paper, and then we will give Vanessa the answer.
Oh, what? So ask where's my earphone? Yeah, your earphone. Funny, funny. Don't make your phone down when you cover it and what's the phone? You're lucky we took it away from you. And I'm phoning from myself and the.
Hi, is everybody done or do you need another minute? I recognize that this question is quite long to have read through. Do you need more time? Just a once off? Yes, no, yes, no. Oh, my buttons are muted.
Hi, Aziza. Are we only doing the
Question.
trust cash or both
Trust
cash
cash
and
receipts
payment?
journal, only that.
Okay, thank you.
Cash receipts journal. Okay, let's do another 3 minutes because that question was long to read. So, okay, and then you only do the trust cash receipts journal. Okay, let's begin. What do you have in the trust cash receipts journal?
I have the fees,
Okay.
and that is N. Edwards. And cross creditors of 750. And bank 750. I also have the 21st. That's for R. Malemone. Of 480.
Is there anything else? Did anybody have anything different? Who had anything different? Keanu, was yours right? Okay, a P. So everybody's was right. Now let's take 5 minutes and do the trust cash payments journal. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes. Okay, let's begin. Trust Cash Payments Journal. Who wants journal?
I have the 11th. Details, Advocate Kenyenza, and then in bracket S. Smith. And the payment of 520. And that is by 520, yeah, debited from the bank. And I also have the 17th. Where for R Derby in bracket J Hassan. A payment of 1,100. Those are the only two I had.
Anybody else want to comment? There's another one, people. Missing one.
I think it's the 27th. I'm just not sure how we record it.
Yes, Itumaleng is right. It's a reversal, right? So what would be the detail?
Pencil.
Guys,
Sorry, I could not hear that.
why don't you put in Edwards, guys? Why wouldn't you use in Edwards as a reference and put in the reversal in brackets? Doesn't that make more sense, Keanu? Keanu Pillay? Okay, now we've got our Trust Cash Payments Journal. For those people that missed number 27, take note. You only got 60% for the exam, 66%. All right, now they want the Business Cash Payments Journal. I'll give you 5 minutes to do it. I want more participation, please.
Ito ko kumain sige saan ko mo dito ito kan. Ano pa rin? Ano ba ito? Ito ba rin? Ano ba ito? Ano ba ito? Ano ba ito? Ulit ba ito? Weekend pa dito eh. Yeah? Okay, right. Yeah, so we have late, yeah.
Payments journal, who wants to go?
Aziza, I'm not done, but I think the first one could, I already have the first one, the 14th.
Okay, then
Oh.
get, okay, how many more minutes do you need? I think this one is a bit
Just maybe
long.
2 minutes.
Okay, let's take another 2
Yeah.
minutes.
Yeah.
Okay,
Let's
yeah,
do
okay, let me
that.
get, yeah, let's get done first.
Ja, ich.
Okay, are you guys done now? Let's do the business cash payments. No, ma'am, Keanu, can't you speak to us? We want to hear your voice. We never heard your voice anymore, ever before. Keanu, we never heard your voice yet. Ash, ma'am, what? Gonna go. We can't be chatting now. This is not gonna work out.
Someone is talking at the back. Maybe they can go first. I
don't
forgot to
hear you.
calculate VAT, but maybe I can calculate VAT as I go. I'm not sure, so please, I can be corrected as I go. The first one was on the first, because I'm confused between business cash payment and general ledger
Sorry, let me
item.
just stop you. Are you talking about VAT? Did the question talk to VAT?
I see there you have
What did they
VAT
say? Where did they
on the
say about
column.
VAT?
Nowhere,
What
but
column?
I see I see you
Where
have
do you
VAT. So
see? Danessa, do you see VAT there?
no,
No,
not on the column.
she's talking about the table that I started. I just took it from.
Oh, I see.
Should I take it
But
out?
this question wasn't VAT. Oh, okay, but this question didn't ask for VAT, so okay, it's just a typo from Tanissa's side.
Okay.
So you can relax now with your VAT.
Thanks.
Okay, you want to go?
Okay, on the first, details office rent. I think Tanisa, you missed details. And the sundry, 7,800. 7,800 at the bank. And I have the third. Water and electricity. 980. Then I have the ninth. This one I wasn't sure how to, but I worded it as cash withdrawal in brackets petty cash replacement or something like cash float petty cash. For 500. Then I have the 14th. Sheriff in brackets efferents. Sheriff fees. Or is it sheriff fees or sheriff payment? But I just wrote sheriff in brackets efferents. F grants. Yeah, grants, not rents. And then I have another column there for client control. I'm not sure, but I put it under client control, not under sundries. I added a column for client control. I do
But
welcome
why would you have a
corrections.
client control if it's a business cash receipts journal?
Oh, okay, because
I mean, a business cash
it was going to
payments
be
journal.
claimed from a client. So I thought since we're paying on behalf of SF grants, we will need to claim the money from him.
No, they will only have sundries and bank.
Is it only sundry? Okay, then I'll cancel that column here and write it under sundries 35. Okay, then the next one was the 19. Thank you, Aziza. Was office supplies of 375. And then I have the 31st. Telephone account. I skipped the 30th, but yeah, we can go back to it. That was 1,150. And then we have 30th. Wages. Wages. 1,350. Those are all I had. Okay, so there's a message there from Zovuyo.
Was
I
there a
see.
client Okay, I see her. So she said there was a client control in assessment 5.
I'm just going to open
Okay,
assessment 5 to quickly check that as well.
Okay, then put the client control. Shouldn't really be, in my opinion, but okay, put it in because the share of fees will then go to the client control if they're doing it every day in the business. Yeah, add it then.
Okay, anyone can add because I don't know what else. That's all I got.
That should be all. I think maybe you can tally it up.
I see they did put a client control in the assessment. That's correct.
Okay.
Aziza, can I just ask, this office supplies on the 19th, shouldn't it specifically say Q stationaries? Because I always just remember when you say you can't say child, child, child. So aren't you supposed to maybe put the actual name of the people?
What day is that?
19th. So I'm essentially asking, is office supplies correct or should you say Q stationaries?
Yeah, you should actually say still Q stationaries. Yeah, you must name the account. Sorry, I was just trying to copy something in the meantime. Also.
Thank you,
Yeah, you
Denisa.
must say Q stationaries.
No problem.
What was that question 5? 7. Okay. There's another one, the last one you can just add the Nessa is a VAT control account that they're looking for. Sorry, not done yet. Sorry, this is for the next question. Okay, so the next one is your fees. Let's do it for 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, are we all done? Who wants to
Yes.
go?
KT has his hand up.
Yeah, we have the 25th. Details is B Gani. In brackets, we can say drawing up a wheel or drawing off a wheel. Lines control for 30, fees for 30. And then the 28th, P Mohajani in brackets, divorce case. $570 clients control, $570 fees. Yeah, I think those are the only two transactions for fees journal.
Okay, 100%. Okay, is there anybody, did this provide more clarity for people that misunderstood the journals? If it's still not clear, rework it. For those people that didn't do it, I don't know what to say to you people. And the Lord be with you if you didn't do it. This is another example that I can copy. The last question I miscopied is just the VAT control also required as well. Okay, so let's give you for the first one that they are asking. A petty cash. Okay, so they want ledgers. So the first one is a petty cash ledger. This is for Keanu, dedicated to Keanu.
Is it ledger or journal?
But they want ledgers, actually two ledgers. A petty
Okay.
cash, trust cash, receipt. I don't know why they got that there. Two ledger entries for each one because I want the VAT control account also. Okay, so the first one, let's take 3 or 4 minutes. Ledger for petty cash journal. Okay, are you done with the petty cash? Do you need
Just
another
2 minutes.
2 minutes? Okay, no
Yes.
problem.
Sometimes convict within the political space, but it's not my space, and I don't dream of becoming. There was invitation of some of the members that I should join, but I will not gladly decline because of me. I was never. I'm just a South African.
Hello. Khona khona uzane.
Hello?
Ubuyeni.
Katie, your mic is on. We're hearing your call.
Okay, are we ready now? Or are we still waiting for 2 minutes?
Okay, I think I'm done.
You can go for it.
Yes. Okay, on the debit side, we have let's start with that one, number 2. Petty cash account had a balance of 1,500. So I'll start with that. Is balance brought down 31 August. Oh, sorry, date 31 August. I get confused with balance brought down and balance carried down, but I think this is balance
Why is
brought
your
down.
balance brought down on 31 August? Your balance brought down must be first of the month, eh? Carried down is the 31st.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so please, thank you. Balance on the 1st of September. Let me change it on my side. 1 September, that's 1,500. And then the second one is another bank payment, 1 September. It's bank pay BCP, yeah, bank cash payment channel. BCBJ, that's what it shows there, or the folio number. I think that's what we'll use as reference, of 500. Aziza, do we use that or do we use the document number?
You
Do
can
we use the
reference
folio
of the
number?
Are you doing a
The
ledger
reference must
account?
be for petty
Petty cash
cash,
journal.
yes.
Are you doing a
Yes.
ledger account?
A ledger
Okay.
account, yes.
Petty cash journal. Petty cash journal. And the detail is obviously a receipt.
Oh, okay. So receipts
Remember, it's
there.
coming out of your petty cash journal, no? And not your business cash payments journal, like you saying.
Okay, so that would be receipt. Let me change it on my side also.
Yeah.
And that will be
So there you will
500.
write petty cash journal.
Where do we write petty cash journal?
Yeah, just write it there. That is from the journal, which journal it comes out of.
Okay. Do you mind writing the details on top, Denisa, like date?
But the ledger account doesn't have date and
It
stuff
doesn't
like that.
have. Oh, okay. Because I wrote the date and okay, then let's go to the next one on the 30th. Also receipt. A piece of 1,500. If by the end of this I'm still confused, then I disown myself. 1,500. Okay, and then let's go to the credit side. On the, I think because this one is already broken down, we can, petty cash, okay, let's just write, fuel. As it's, I wrote it down one by one. Can we write it as a whole, like the total amount 1,300?
You should write it as a whole. You should write it as a whole. Remember, ledger entry is been done at the end of the month. So that one there, the 30th, you should amalgamate it with the 500 plus the 1,500. Then it must be 2,000.
Can you delete that then? Can you delete everything that we typed?
Even on the debit side.
No, she may just delete that receipts on the 500 and then just make the bottom one 2000. But just delete that row, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, delete that whole
Yes,
row.
and then September 30th. No, on September 30th.
Yes, I'm going to change it. Just give me a minute.
Okay. And then the other side will be 30th. One 1315. And then from there on, write the one again, the 30th, like skip a line and write the 30th again and break down the total amount, which was 3,500. And then on the line above, write cash balance carried down, which will be 2,185. And then you go to the debit side. And write the balance on the 30th as 2,000. No, 185, not 200 and not 800, 2185. So now I'm open for corrections, Aziza. That's all I got.
You are 100% correct. But can you see where your mistake was? And everybody, you guys do understand the accounting, but you're making the silly
The
mistakes
mistake.
like you made. Yeah, so we just need to work on things like that.
Thank you.
Prep will help you not make that. And people, you must participate, man. We want the people because then we can see. Like she made a mistake. Bad. No,
Yes.
don't have to feel bad when you make mistakes. It's character building.
The mistakes are helping us prepare.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, then we need to work faster. 2 minutes.
Aziza, I just want to ask you, can you just check if the petty cash journal is like completed? Because I have the 1315, but no details there.
Oh, so you're gonna put the petty cash journal there? Because it also came out of your petty cash journal. And that one is on the opposite side is called payments.
And the date for this
See
balance
comments?
carried down.
That is the 30th of the month. And that balance brought down, sorry, I didn't see that. That must be the 1st of the month. So there's the 30th, yeah, and then the next bottom part must be the 1st of the following month.
And this is balance brought
1st of
down.
October. Yeah. Not carry down. I carry down is
Not
old
there.
terms. You're revealing your age now. At the top, yeah. Balance CD, C/D, telling us your age. Am I going mad now? Sorry, carry down is right. C/D. You wrote forward.
Sorry, I cannot hear.
It,
Aziza, is something wrong maybe with your microphone?
my microphone?
Yes, every time you talk, it sounds like water.
Okay, let me just log out, come back again.
Not Aziza, it's Homoso. Homoso.
Oh,
Okay.
Hello, I'm back.
okay,
Yeah,
much
we
better.
can hear you.
Okay, sorry, man, it was my bad. I don't know why I'm saying carried. I'm thinking of carried forward. So it's carried down, CD, C/D, and then I can't see your screen.
Uh,
Is it
okay,
shared?
Yes,
yes,
it's shared.
I'll pop it again quickly. Maybe it'll work.
Yeah, now I can see it. Okay, so to take that balance brought down in that next line,
This one.
right? Yeah, no, yeah, the next one, I don't know why it's there. So it's on the opposite side. Delete that balance. Yeah, then on the opposite side on column J, just put 3.5 also, so that it balances theirs. 3.5. And then the next month can't be the 30th, it must be the 1st of the 10th, 1 October. So remember the carry down is 30th and balance brought down for the new month is 1, the 1st.
Okay.
So now we know.
Yes.
Okay, so let's do the stationery account. Okay, are you done? Who wants to go?
Aziza?
Yes.
Yes, I can try, but
Okay.
I'm not quite sure if we include VAT or not.
What did it say? What it is the
For
question reference? But you're gonna
this
do a VAT account, a VAT control account, so you wouldn't include that.
okay, then I'll do it without VAT since we're going to do a VAT control. So it will be on the 30th on the credit side. We had payment brought down. Actually, I wanted this thing brought down and carried up, carried down. The terms confuse me, but I think it's payment CD of 1250. And then we have no, we carry down on the first. So the first, I have to remember the last correction now. And the 30th, we have total payments of 248. Stationary 248. And the total amount is 1498. 1498. I see your dyslexia like me. That's all I got. I have nothing on the debit side. That's on the 30th. Yeah, yeah. I think that's the balance on the credit side was 1,498.
Does anybody want to comment on her account?
Hi, Aziza, can I try?
Yes.
Doesn't she have to move the information that she just provided to the debit side because stationery is an expense?
Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you. So
It's
do we
a
move
pleasure.
all of it or do we move?
Yes, everything has to move to the debit side because it's an expense.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, expenses are reduced on the debit side. Thank you.
It's a
Because they're
pleasure.
under, yeah, thank you.
There's a question. Does somebody want to answer Keanu? What exactly do ledgers require from us? It requires to do a summary of all the transactions. I'm not sure it answers your question. And in the relevant account. So this is stationery. We're gonna only take stuff relating to stationery. There's a petty cash only relating to petty cash. Nothing else. It's just a summary of all the transactions that happened. Answer your question, Keanu. Let's move on to the fuel account, 2 minutes. Okay, fuel, what does fuel say?
It says on the first, we brought down, we carried down 1750.
Mm-hmm.
Can I just ask debit credit?
Debit. And that was 1750. And on the 30th, it was 559 payments.
Looks like it's getting easier now, eh?
Yes, it does. And then the total is 2309.
Okay, the next one is entertainment. 2 minutes for that.
They're getting faster.
Just remember your carry down and your brought down balances, eh?
Oh, okay, so brought down 2309.
You mean carry down 2309,
Carry down 2309.
and then on the opposite side again brought down 2309.
So on the opposite side is brought down. On the debit side is carried down. Is that what you say?
Yes, yes, and then
Like
so you're gonna
this.
have the above that. No, that's your total. Just move that carry down one line up, and then you write again 2309, and then you brought down 2309. Yeah. Okay, so do the entertainment like that as well.
In stationery, do we do the same?
Sorry, I'm talking to myself. I'm already tired of talking to myself. Yes, please carry down, brought down 30th and the 1st of the month. Don't forget those things. You'll lose mark.
Okay. $30.
Also, your subsidiary journals must come, all the stuff must come from your petty cash journal, like, because we're working out of a petty cash journal. So PCJ everywhere.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Who's
Sorry,
gonna do
Aziza.
entertainment?
Can I please just ask about the dates for actually both the fuel and stationary entries?
I don't understand why the dates for the first entries are the first when
Yeah, it should be the 30th. It should be all be the 30th, you're right.
as well as for the other entries as well.
Yes.
I don't understand why they are the 30th and not the 20th for stationery and the 2nd for fuel.
It must all be the 30th because you're doing it that month in the petty cash journal.
Oh,
We're
okay.
taking the tallies from month end.
Okay, thank you.
But then does that include okay, no, the petty cash we leave it as it is, ne? We don't okay. Okay, the entertainment was done on the 30th.
Debit credit?
Debit, sorry. Debit 30. And that was 417. 471. And yeah, then we can close it with balance
PCJ,
carried down.
PCJ,
PC,
PCJ,
yeah,
please.
PCJ.
Details?
It's entertainment. That was the payment for entertainment. I think we write. Do we write entertainment or write payment?
You
We write
can't have
entertainment.
entertainment, eh? It's petty cash.
We write
Debit,
payment.
you can. It's petty cash.
Petty cash. Oh, okay. Even for fuel.
For fuel, you will also put petty cash here.
Okay.
But petty cash is a payment, so you but rather use the word petty cash because you're using the petty cash. It's a contra account.
Okay.
Okay, now the last one is your VAT control account.
We can close that, balance that one out, Denisa, then we'll be doing the VAT
You can
solo.
call that balancing out. No, Denise.
You guys got me a little bit confused. I'm just following what she said that I should copy from fuel because to
Okay,
me
so then
there's
just
too many
put the-
balances in fuel.
That's because there's too little transactions. Put there 471 in column J also.
Column J.
Yeah, the 471. Don't call that. You see where you got that balance that on the other side, the 471. Delete that balance and borrow it down. That must just say 471. Yeah, leave that. Just 471.
But the carry
Yeah,
down
like
is
that.
correct.
Yes, and now the brought down. Don't worry, they got me so confused earlier.
So
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 now
here
you,
by fuel, I'm also gonna take away this brought down and just have the total.
yes, it must just be that.
Yes.
Just bold it in it, the people can see it better. Then you can make more sense of the totals.
Okay,
Yeah.
totals. So this is also your totals. And then on the first,
It's a brought down.
yes, and we say balance.
Okay, now we have VAT control. Sorry, I didn't copy it over. So while Denisa's doing some Tila tankies there, you guys can do the VAT control. Okay, who's got the VAT control under control?
I'm just going to attempt, I'm not quite sure, but I think this is VAT, input VAT on the left because it's money that's coming in on the debit side.
100%. So what
That-
is the control counts?
It's the output VAT.
Don't lie,
Oh,
man, you were starting
sorry,
from us.
it's from input VAT from cash purchases, stationary purchases.
Petty cash, petty cash, petty cash.
Petty cash.
And
on
petty cash journal.
Okay. Petty cash journal. PCJ. And 37 rand. Do we have to write on top that is input or output? Or we just write debit
No,
and credit?
that obviously is the input VAT on the debit side.
Okay.
Because they asked
And-
for the control account.
Mm.
And Bob's your uncle. Okay, did you guys now figure out your mistakes? Are you all good now?
Think so.